Hey guys, Nick from King Forge. On today's video, we're doing. I've just bought a tripod for my phone now, so um, you'll start seeing some better quality videos. Do not mind my hand in the frame shot. Today's video, we're unboxing just adjust the camera angle a bit. A trade right welding clamp for blacksmithing. I'm gonna press ball making now, so we'll go from there. I mean, this might tripod mightn't be tall enough, but with all the other videos like projects and that, you'll start seeing some videos and shit. Well, hang on a minute. I thought I was getting one clamp, not fucking like five or six of them. So yeah. Well, it's a package of four. So these are the clamps. I use these at work like all the time. They are to adjust them. You just swing it out from the back there. These are going to be so handy for Damascus billets and um, whatever else. I mean, that was a bit of a quick, quick video. I do have the copper wound transformer. That's the clamps there. For everybody saying that I don't do I make anything or anything like that, do not leave those kind of comments. They are stupid and troll-based comments. Um, I'm an apprentice baller maker. I've got a lot of tools. Yes, I know. I have a lot um a lot of um tooling because I'm a blacksmith. Most of this shit, yeah, is cheap. This what cost me 35 bucks, I think. Yeah, $35. So that's like $5, $6 a clamp. And these clamps seem real good quality for the money. I would recommend. I actually would recommend these. Um, we'll still do the blacksmithing. S- we'll still do the blacksmithing for complete beginners when we get up to the basic setup of that. We'll do some leatherworking stuff and a few projects. You're gonna make stuff. You're gonna fail, so just be prepared. Please, you will see. You will be bored on projects. I'm hoping I can get this series. God, this isn't part of part of that. What we can do that if you want, but yeah, you'll see these when we get up to Forge Welding in Damascus. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I'll see you all later. Bye.